we love it all. Tomato red and juicy too. Tastes so yummy just for you. Spinach green, strong and neat, makes us healthy when we eat. Brinjal purple, shiny bright, cooked just right, what a delight. Cabbage round with layers tight, keeps us healthy, strong and light. Peas go pop so fresh, so sweet, tiny veggies, fun to eat. Eat your veggies every day, grow up strong in every way.